In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Acorns versus Robinhood versus Vanguard, three platforms that each approach investing in a completely different way. Whether you're just starting out, want to trade actively, or you're focused on long-term wealth building, this comparison will help you figure out which one fits your style. Let's start with Acorns. Acorns is built for beginners and busy people who want investing to be automatic. The main feature is called roundups. Every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds it up to the next dollar and invests the difference. It's simple, effortless, and honestly kind of clever. It turns your everyday spending into investing without you even noticing. Acorns also offers retirement accounts, custodial accounts for kids, and a checking account with a clean, easy-to-use interface. But here's the honest downside. Acorns charges a flat monthly fee. It doesn't matter if you have $5 or $5,000, you still pay the same amount. And if your balance is small, that fee can take a big bite out of your returns. So while Acorns is great for starting the habit of investing, it's not the cheapest option if you're only investing small amounts. Also, you can't pick individual stocks, and the portfolios are pre-built, which is perfect for beginners, but limiting if you want more control. Now let's talk about Robinhood. Robinhood became popular for making stock trading extremely accessible. It offers commission-free trading, fractional shares, options, and even crypto. The app is clean, fast, and beginner-friendly, especially if you like the idea of choosing your own stocks or trading more actively. If you're someone who likes checking charts, making quick decisions, and having full control, Robinhood gives you exactly that. However, Robinhood isn't really built for long-term, hands-off investing. The platform focuses more on active trading than retirement planning or diversified portfolios. It also doesn't offer the same level of research tools or investment guidance that traditional brokers provide. So Robinhood is amazing for learning how markets work and making your own trades, but not the strongest option if you want a structured, long-term investment plan. Finally, let's look at Vanguard. Vanguard is the classic choice for long-term investors who believe in low-cost index funds and steady, reliable growth. It's the platform people use when they want to buy it, hold it, and let compound interest do its thing. The fees on Vanguard's funds are famously low, and the company has a strong reputation for serving long-term investors. If you're planning for retirement, Vanguard is one of the most trusted options in the world. But Vanguard isn't flashy. The interface is simple, some might say outdated, and it's not designed for day trading or frequent buying and selling. You won't get advanced charting or fast-paced tools like Robinhood. And unlike Acorns, there's no automation based on your daily spending. Vanguard is a powerful platform, but it's built for the patient investor, not the active trader. So here's the breakdown. Choose Acorns if you're new to investing, want everything automatic, and love the idea of investing spare change without effort. Choose Robinhood if you want control, like picking stocks yourself, or want a simple, fast platform for active trading. Choose Vanguard if your goal is long-term wealth, retirement planning, or low-cost index investing. Each platform is strong in its own way. Acorns makes saving easy, Robinhood makes trading intuitive, and Vanguard makes long-term investing affordable and reliable. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Acorns, Robinhood, or Vanguard, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of investing apps and financial tools.